Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos. Let's dive into the fascinating history of Rome. The Colosseum in Rome is one of the most iconic landmarks of the ancient world. It was used for gladiatorial contests, public spectacles, animal hunts, and even mock sea battles. Built in 80 AD, it could hold up to 50,000 spectators, making it a symbol of the power and grandeur of the Roman Empire. Vatican City, as the spiritual and administrative center of the Roman Catholic Church, significantly enhances Rome's global reputation. It's home to the Pope and St. Peter's Basilica, one of the holiest Catholic sites. The presence of Vatican City attracts millions of pilgrims and tourists every year, contributing to Rome's status as a city of immense historical, religious, and cultural importance. Traditional Roman cuisine reflects the rich history and culture of the city. Known for its simplicity, the cuisine uses fresh, seasonal ingredients like olive oil, tomatoes, artichokes, and pecorino cheese. Dishes like pasta alla carbonara, saltimbocca, and supplì showcase the hearty and flavorful character of Roman food. These dishes are not only a source of local pride, but also an integral part of Rome's cultural identity, connecting modern-day Romans with their culinary heritage. Rome is filled with must-see tourist attractions. The Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and Palatine Hill offer a glimpse into ancient Roman life. The Vatican museums, including the Sistine Chapel and St. Peter's Basilica, are essential for art and history lovers. The Pantheon, Trevi Fountain, and the Spanish Steps are also iconic landmarks that showcase Rome's architectural grandeur. The best time to visit Rome is during the spring, April to June, and fall, September to October. The weather is pleasant, not too hot or cold. In the summer, especially in July and August, it can get quite hot and crowded with tourists, while in winter, from December to February, the weather is cooler and there are fewer tourists, making it a good time for those who want to avoid large crowds.